Ever wondered how to draw a perfect circle? You might think it's as simple as just drawing a round shape, but there's actually a method to the madness. Yes, my friends, we're about to embark on an artistic journey, and our first stop is the humble circle. You'll soon realize that the circle is more than just a round shape. It's a fundamental building block in art, a cornerstone of creativity. It's the head of your favorite cartoon character, the moon in a starlit sky, the bubbles in your fizzy drink. Circles are all around us, inescapable, like tax season or that catchy pop song you heard one time and now it's stuck in your head. But fear not, for today we're not just going to draw a circle, we're going to perfect it, master it, make it our own. So hold on to your pencils, it's time to conquer the elusive circle. Before we start, let's make sure you have the right tools for our circle conquest. You'll need a pencil, the sharper the better to carve our path. Next, an eraser, our secret weapon for any missteps on our journey. And of course, a piece of paper, our blank canvas ready for the masterpiece. Now don't reach for that compass. We're not navigating the seas here, just the vast landscape of your paper. Got everything? Good. Let's move on to the fun part. Now it's time to face our nemesis, the circle. Yes, folks, the circle. That seemingly simple shape that's been giving artists sleepless nights since the dawn of time. But fear not, for today we're going to conquer it. Let's start with the basics. Drawing a circle begins with a single dot. This dot is the center of your future masterpiece, the anchor around which your circle will revolve. So take your pencil and mark that dot with confidence. Next, we're going to draw a cross. Now, this isn't a battle against vampires, but it's close. This cross will define the diameter of your circle. Draw two lines, one horizontal and one vertical, intersecting at your center dot. The length of these lines will determine the size of your circle, so choose wisely. Remember, a circle is a democracy, not a dictatorship. All points are equal and no point is more equal than others. Now that we have our guiding lines, it's time to sketch the circle. This is where the magic happens. Start at the top of your cross and gently curve your line down to the right, following the guide of your cross. Continue this motion, rounding the bottom and then curving back up to the left. Remember, circles are more afraid of you than you are of them. So don't hesitate to erase and redraw if it doesn't look right. Take a step back and admire your work. Look at that, a circle. It's not just any circle, it's your circle. You've created a space where there was none, a form from formlessness. You've tamed the wild beast of geometry. If your circle is looking a bit wobbly, don't worry. Even the earth isn't a perfect circle, and it's doing just fine. Practice makes perfect, and every circle you draw brings you one step closer to perfection. And voila! You've just drawn a perfect circle. Take a moment to bask in your victory. You faced your nemesis and emerged victorious, but remember, the journey to mastery is a circle, not a line, so keep practicing, keep drawing, and keep creating. But why stop at a circle? Let's take it up a notch and make it a sphere. Now, a sphere isn't just a circle that's put on a few pounds. It's a circle with depth, with personality, if you will. Here's how we bring that personality to life. We add shading. Imagine a light source, say, a lamp on one side of your circle. The part of the circle closest to this imaginary lamp will be the brightest, while the part furthest from it will be the darkest. This gradual transition from light to dark is what gives our circle a three-dimensional look, transforming it into a sphere. Now, it's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of practice to get it just right. So don't be discouraged if your first few attempts look more like a moon during a lunar eclipse than a perfect sphere. Congratulations, you've just taken a giant leap from drawing a circle to a sphere. Keep practicing and you'll be a master in no time. So what did we learn today? We journeyed from a simple line to a perfect circle, then took it up a notch to a sphere. We've uncovered that the secret to these shapes lies in patience, precision, and practice. So keep your pencils at the ready, and never underestimate the power of a well-drawn circle. Remember, every great artist started with a simple circle. You're on your way to greatness. Until next time, keep those pencils moving.